It is safe to say our little blue planet is quite tense at the moment. In 2020, much of this tension is coming from the planet itself. More specifically, how to save the planet from the people living on it. Some are fighting to clear the oceans and our skies, others battling for these poor little guys, and others still who are scurrying to reverse the melting of the ice caps before it is too late. Regardless of whichever form environmental issues choose to embody, it is intensely apparent that a colossal amount of time, resources, and most importantly, cooperation will be required to address these issues. With a task so daunting, it is easy for those concerned about the environment to become overwhelmed and unable to find a starting point for any type of activism. However, this rampant hopelessness among would-be activists begs the question, is it possible for anyone to save the world? My journey to answer this question brought me to Whetstone High School in Clintonville, Ohio. Within this little slice of American suburbia, an organization known as the Whetstone Environmental Club has existed for the better half of the 2019-2020 school year. To learn more about the club, I recently sat down with club founder and president Libby Wise to see how her and her cohort of 15 students have been tackling environmental issues.
I started the environmental club because I thought there was a need for it at the school, considering all the environmental issues going on at this time.
As for what direct action the club has taken to address environmental concerns,
During the fall, we did a winter coat drive, which was meant to help other people that are in need of winter items, and also addressing sustainability because a lot of people just throw away their old clothes even though they can be used again. And right now we are doing a recycling project where we're trying to get more recycling services in the school.
trying to save the world from a high school classroom every other Friday is not an easy feat, and the club is no stranger to logistical obstacles.
I would say that it's probably a combination of limited group members, like people who are able to come to the meetings, the frequency at which the meetings are occurring, just more logistical issues.
Even if this plethora of inhibitors was miraculously eradicated, the core values of the group should ideally remain the same. Beyond projects, or a lack of funding, or even the members themselves, what is the most fundamental principle, the driving force behind the Whetstone Environmental Club?
I think the environmental club, the purpose of it is not just the projects that we do, but also just creating awareness and advocacy for environmental issues, because that's really the first step of solving problems, is to say, oh, there is a problem that needs to be solved.
I could not agree more with the sentiment, and it truly is visible in every facet of the club. While the Whetstone Environmental Club may not be at the forefront of environmental activism on a global scale, I sincerely believe their efforts are invaluable. After all, if 15 high school students that meet bi-weekly can incite a tangible level of environmental change within their own community, what is preventing anyone else from doing the same? With that in mind, do whatever is possible, no matter how infinitesimal it may appear, to take that first step towards an environmentally friendly future.